All right, this is an example on finding the difference quotient. So you're given a function 2x squared plus 3x, and you need to find the quantity f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This whole thing right here saying h cannot equal 0, that's just saying if you plug 0 in for h, you would be dividing by h here. So that's not allowed. So you can basically ignore that. That's not really needed for this problem. So the first thing we're going to evaluate is f of x plus h. So we're going to take x plus h and plug it in to our f of x. So f of x plus h is equal to 2 times the quantity x plus h squared plus 3 times x plus h. We're going to go ahead and simplify that down. I'm first going to expand x plus h squared. So that becomes x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. I'm then going to distribute my 3 inside to give me 3x plus 3h. Next, we can also distribute the 2 inside to give us a total of 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared plus 3x plus 3h. All of that is just the f of x plus h. We now need to subtract f of x. So I'm going to take that and subtract my function f of x. So now we're going to distribute the negative inside. And now we can look to cancel some like terms. We have a 2x squared and a negative x squared, so those will cancel. I also have a 3x and a negative 3x, so those also cancel. Now I am left just with 4xh plus 2h squared plus 3h. And I need that, now that that's this entire numerator, I'm going to now divide all of that by h. In that numerator, we have a greatest common factor of h. So I'm going to pull out an h from everything in the numerator. So we get an h times quantity 4x plus 2h plus 3 all over h. Now the h is canceled, and you're simply left with 4x plus 2h plus 3 as your final answer.